Seconds with Femi correct pidgin yarnings now they do, and waiting would they look today na small thing I want ask you, tiny thing. How you go use no say this coach na be the Badoski coach for the whole world? Na because of the trophies wey don win all the La Liga, World Cup, FA Cup, even Premier League, or because of the way they talk tactics? You go dey hear some coach dem say I dey play 4-4-2, I dey play 4-3-3, 4-5-2, 5-0-0, anyone. Na because of the way they use talk tactics? Or how you go use know am? Na maybe when him talk say he wan buy the Badoski players, then they agree to go sign for am. Na him dey use know say this coach na be the Badoski coach for the world, because Maradona don come out na him talk say Jose Mario aka Jose Mario say na him be the Badoski coach for the whole world. Say make una forget all those one wey Pep Guardiola dey do, taki taka, taki this. Say that thing na Johan Cruyff style na Pep Guardiola dey use. Say for him wey be Maradona, say na Jose Mario na him be the Badoski coach for the whole world. So I dey ask you this morning, who you think say be the Badoski coach for the whole world, and how you go take know say the guy na him be the Badoski coach? Na the way they use dey play, the way they use dey talk to him players, I wan know.